Welcome to Tisam Mathematics. In this video, if 18 times in bracket square root of p all raised to the power p minus 1 over 1 over square root of p all raised to the power minus p is equal to root p, we are to find the value of p. Let's see how we are going to do this. So this is an indices question. So we can write this one as 18 in bracket square root of p can be written as p raised to the power 1 on 2 all raised to the power p minus 1 over square root of p all raised to the power minus 1. Yes, raised to the power minus p, which is equal to p raised to the power half. This is laws of indices. So let's expand further. So 18 times a raised to the power m all raised to the power n is the same as a raised to the power mn. So you have p raised to the power 2 times p minus 1 over, now this one will be p raised to the power 1 on 2, that is square root of p minus 1 all raised to the power minus p, which is equal to p raised to the power 1 on 2. So at the numerator we have 18 times p, then we open the bracket, half p minus 1 on 2 over minus 1 times p will be minus p will be positive p. So we have p raised to the power half p, which is equal to p raised to the power half. So indices, they are dividing, so we can subtract it. So we have 18 p raised to the power half p minus 1 over 2 again minus, let's go back and see. So this is divided, so when it comes up, here is rather p, yes, half p. So when it comes up, it becomes negative. So minus half p is equal to p raised to the power half. So half p minus half p will go. We have 18p raised to the power minus 1 on 2 is equal to p raised to the power half. By indices, you can still write this one as 18 over p to the power half, which is equal to p raised to the power half. So let's cross multiply. We have 18 is equal to p to the power half times p to the power half. Yes, the same base. So we add the powers, which is equal to 18 equal to p raised to the power 1 on 2 plus 1 on 2. And when we put them together, 18 is equal to p. That is our answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video and you are watching for the first time, if you have not subscribed, just click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted.